Alright, so today we're going to be changing the air filter on this, Craftsman Pro Series mower with a 24 horsepower V-twin engine. So, first thing we got to do, get our service kit right here. This on the blaster, and then we're gonna have to. Dude, this door never stays open. No. Need to invest in a door jamb, but first need to undo these little clips. These things are pain. Hey, bang up my hand. Take the little cover off, and there's our air filter. So from there, just lift off. Wow, pretty dirty. Look at that, and then the new one. The new one comes with some green thing. Is this a skin? Yeah, it is. That's gonna be way better. Make sure it's not right like that. Make sure it's not rolled over. All even around the whole thing. Then what you want to do? Slap that bad boy right back on there. Put the little hood thing, airbox lid for it. That on. Put those little things back on. Bam. Close your hood. You want to put the park brake on, so push it in, put that little thing down. Pull this all the way up, put it on the choke, and then when it fires, make sure you pull it back down till it clicks or stops, because if you leave it on choke, it'll mess up the motor. We don't want to do that. So there you go, air filter change on a Craftsman 24 horsepower lawnmower.